Hello?
Am I talking
Hello?
to Abhishek Jain?
Yeah?
It's from the embassy. Can I talk to you? Is it a good time to talk to you?
Yes, sir. Tell me.
Your passport number is J8.
Yes, sir.
You would like to travel to...
Yes.
Okay. May I know the purpose of the visit?
So we're going for a bachelor's party.
Now, 1 minute. Our senior person, Mr. Seva Ramani, would like to talk to you.
All right.
Yeah. I'm talking to Abhishek.
Yes, sir. Hi.
Hi. Why you want to go to...
We are having a bachelor party. at
Bachelor
Amsterdam for my
party.
friend who's
Oh, and in your passport you've gone to earlier?
Yeah.
Why you want to go to all these places where only all these girls and alcohol and drugs are there? Your parents are aware of this? I don't know what mischief you're going to do. We don't want our boys from our country to go and do drugs in that
Correct, sir.
country.
No, sir. I'm not into all that.
I have a strong
online
suspicion.
travel.
I think, why can't you do bachelor party in your city? You're from Chennai, no?
Sir, that's what we've always wanted to do once. Always wanted to go there.
Oh,
I thought
so
it
you
was
want
also a
you
good
want
reason
girls,
also.
huh? You want girls. You want a nice massage over there. Is that what you want to do? So why can't you go to some good country like England and all that?
Sir, we had chosen that the itinerary as per all.
As per the girls or the drugs?
My decision.
Just my friend,
No, sir.
just accepted. You accepted. You are taking it.
No, sir. I need not because I am already about to just get married. So I am not into all that.
One person is
regarding
getting
that,
married. One minute. Who's getting married?
Sir, all of us are into that zone, sir. All of us are 23 and 24 years old.
Now who is getting married? Who is getting
Okay.
married? Who is getting married?
Badresh.
Oh my God! So now you want one woman Bhadrash is having in Chennai. One woman you want to
Yes,
get
sir.
him in. Oh, this is what you want to do. You want to spoil the person's marriage before it even
No, sir.
started.
No, sir. We are not into all of that, sir. We are not. into all that, sir.
Why you just can't cut the cake in your city and do happy bachelor
Of course
party?
we
Why
can
you
do
want
that,
to spend
sir.
so much money? Okay, now what I feel is that that because Bhadresh is already getting married, so he already has a woman, and all you people who want drugs and this, you all can go. I'm going to cancel your visa, and I'm going to request for a declining visa for Bhadresh as well.
Sir, no, sir. This is not even the point because.
No,
the,
you just 1 minute.
The bachelor party is not even our priority.
Cancel
First of all,
the visa.
we-
Cancel visa. Just to put over there. Cancel. Oh, okay, my friend. I'm sorry to say that, but this time we have rejected your visa. I'm sorry.
No, because I don't even think this is a strong enough reason that you're declining my visa because this is one of the reasons. I have done entire booking. My flights are booked, which are also non.
Would you like to again appeal to Mr. Seva Ramani?
Yeah, I don't know.
Yeah, 1
Yes,
minute.
please.
So he wants to talk to you just. Yeah, tell me now.
Hello,
Tell me.
sir. I want to tell you that.
First of all,
that
can you
I-
apologize for your behavior? The way you're talking to me, I did not like it. What do you think? This is a joke or what? I think you're joking
really,
over
sir.
here.
I'm sorry, sir.
Yep, no,
So,
don't do this ihsan on me by just saying sorry. Say sorry properly.
No,
You
sir.
mean sorry? First you say sorry.
Yes, sir. I do.
You don't angry me. I
Something
get
like
angry
that
when
because
yeah.
I was not expecting a call. That is why I had thought that this might not.
Yeah, all these things happen
Yes,
unexpected
that is
only. Even I have a son. He doesn't go to all these countries, He goes to Trichy and all these places and does his homework over there. He learns. You have to go to a country where you can learn. You should go to England. You should go over there and learn about the culture of the Britishers who ruled our country for 500 years.
Sir, I'm sure we can learn a lot.
See,
Sir,
what
no,
has
sir,
happened is, Mr. Modi has told us that there's a bunch of guys who are traveling to these countries just deny their visa because they are going over there and getting all these wrong things, ideas, and spoiling the culture of our country. Sir, सुनो मेरा बात. Sir, 5,000 रुपए आप काली सर को बोलो, उनका अकाउंट में आ जाएगा. आपका वीजा मैं कल सुबह ला के आपको देता है पासपोर्ट में डिस्पैच करेगा इधर से.
आप कौन बात कर रहे हैं?
मैं सर का असिस्टेंट बोल रहा है. सर ऐसा बात नहीं कर सकता है.
आपका नाम क्या?
मेरा नाम छोड़ो, आप 5000 रुपीज के लिए खाली यस बोलो, आपका कल पासपोर्ट पूरा डिस्पैच करेगा वीजा स्टैंप दे के।
आप मेरे को ये राइटिंग में भेजेंगे मेल में?
राइटिंग में कैसे भेजेगा, पूरा ब्लैक का काम है ये, समझो आप। सर का भी मूड थोड़ा वो है, मैं 5000 रुपीज मेरे को दो, सबका वीजा पूरा डिस्पैच देता है।
आपका नाम क्या?
मेरा नाम छोड़ो सर, आप खाली इसका कर दो सर, आप हाँ बोल दो, मैं आपको कल वीजा आपका डिस्पैच कराता हूँ सर।
ठीक है, मैं करता हूँ। कितना पैसा चाहिए आपको?
Just joking, even go to the move for you, so cool, hold on, ready. Not on the bed anymore, I just wanna party hard, like an animal. I see